Welcome. My name is Dominic Martelli, and this is the tutorial of how to use BOLO as an officer. Okay, so right now I am on the BOLO login screen. My root or administrator has created an account for me, and that account has created an email generating with new password, which I have to place in here and accept. So to do that, I need to check my email, see the username given to me, copy that, paste it in the username field. That will be my username from now on. And my password. This password is a one-time password, which will be changed as soon as I log in. I just copy and paste it to the field. I'm now logged in, but now I need to change my password. As long as I follow these steps, as placed above, these prerequisites, I should be fine creating the password. Okay, I'm now at the BOLO list page where I can see all the BOLOs. Right now, let's say I want to create a BOLO. I go to create up top. I enter the date reported. Let's put in a custom date right now. And time reported. And then I'll select the category. The category I select right now will just be theft. These categories are generated by root and by the administrator. But if you need another one, you can always ask them to create a new one for you. I can then choose an image. Let's say I wanted to choose this one. I can add in an optional video link, additional information, and the summary. I can either then preview the BOLO to see if I'm happy with it, or just submit it. For right now, I'll just submit it. So the BOLO has been created. I need to check my email to confirm it. If I go back to my email, I should be getting a new message saying a BOLO alert, and I need to click this link to confirm it. So I confirm the link, and now I have the new BOLO I set up. So now that I created a BOLO, if I ever have a problem with it, I can then edit it. To do that, since I can only edit my own BOLOs, you can see that edit is only placed on my BOLO. Let's say I wanted to change the image. This one was incorrect. I can change it to another one. Even change other additional information if needed. And click update. When I click update, again, I have to check my email to confirm the BOLO to be updated. And here it is, my updated BOLO, with the correct credentials this time. So to view details of BOLOs, the different ones, I can either click on the image or click on details to view details of it. From there, you can see any images associated with it, along with any details associated with the BOLO at the bottom. I can then go back and view the rest. We can also filter BOLOs, say by agency. If we don't want to choose just all the BOLOs, I can choose it with my agency, other agencies, and even choose it with just my BOLOs. Okay. If a BOLO has been archived by, say, a supervisor, a root user, or administrator, I can then go to archive and see any archived BOLOs. This is useful if a BOLO you're looking for matches a description of another crime. I can then view the details of it and make different notes. If necessary, I can also search for BOLOs. I can either provide an agency. If none is provided, then it will search through all agencies, and I can then select a category which I can input the fields to search for a particular BOLO. I can also look at different agencies already existing in the database and just to view details. Alright, last but not least is my own account. I can then view details of my own account and see if they are up to par. If there's any changes need to be done, I can contact the agency administrator to make changes to my account. And as necessary, I can also change my password again, still following the same credentials. Alright. And as an officer, this is how you would use the BOLO program. Thank you for your time.